To my witches, warlocks, kings and queens, if you're new here, welcome, and welcome back if you're returning. I am the Good Witch, your spiritual goddess, here to help you along your spiritual journey. In this video, we're going to get into 7 crystals I recommend for beginners. Crystals are an intriguing part of the natural world. For many of us, these stunning stones have the capacity to completely change some facets of our lives. When we touch a crystal, their powerful therapeutic properties are immediately engaged. So look no further if you're new to the spiritual world and want to begin or grow your collection. Without selenite, no collection of a beginner's collection would be complete. Associated with the crown chakra, one of the simplest stones to use is this one, because it's simple to connect with and doesn't need to be cleansed or recharged. Selenite, as its name suggests, is a symbol of purity and Selene, the moon goddess. Its uses includes soothing, cleansing and purifying, removing any bad energy. Simply place your selenite near a window. By doing this, you'll draw the cleanest energy into your area and help keep bad energy at bay. One of the most well-liked gemstones among experienced and new collectors of crystals is amethyst. Also associated with the crown chakra, it is symbolic of monarchy and spirituality and is thought to promote relaxation and sleep. Some of its uses includes de-stressing, calling in the presence of heavenly wisdom, and cleansing your aura. You will be protected physically while you sleep thanks to this amethyst. This crystal is a wonderful tool to keep it in your pocket if you want to stay calm throughout the day. To encourage restful, deep sleep is to arrange a cluster of amethyst next to your bed. Given that it is associated with the heart and the divine feminine, rose quartz is a popular gemstone since roughly 600 BC. This stone is commonly referred to as the stone of unconditional love. It has been frequently used to symbolize love. Its uses includes embracing a new relationship, rekindling an old love, and bringing out the goddess within. Keep a rose quartz stone in your pocket or wear one as a necklace, even a bracelet, for the best results. You'll be more receptive to a new love and willing to accept love from all others as a result of this. Pyrite is one of the crystals that is frequently used to draw financial blessings, associated with the solar plex. This stone, which stands for prosperity, fortune, and abundance, also possesses a potent defensive energy. Its uses includes bringing luck, aiding in making the future's course more clear, and calming your frustration and worry. Keep a cluster of pyrite with you while you're working to get the most out of its advantages. This will assist all of your business endeavors, making sure that you succeed. Associated with the root chakra, Smokey Quartz is one of the greatest crystals to experiment with because it is both stunning and enigmatic. The strongest attribute of this stone, which represents the earth gods, is its extremely potent anchoring abilities. Its uses includes striking a balance, fostering harmony, and releasing negative energy into the ground. Use this crystal when meditating. Hold the Smokey Quartz in your hands and connect with the energy. This is a useful meditation tool since it enables you to make a connection with your root chakra. Black obsidian is associated with the solar plex, is one of the best starting crystals available. Confusion can be resolved by using this crystal. Uses include burning through uncertainty, getting rid of bad vibes, and regaining lost energy. The ideal method to use this crystal is to carry it with you to drive out any bad vibes. This stone is especially effective in assisting its bearer in letting go of any previous anxieties or expectations. Associated with the heart chakra, green aventurine is perfect for when deep healing is needed. This stone represents nature, new life, regrowth, and spring. Its uses includes healing, boosting your chances of winning, and releasing energy blockages. Place your green aventurine stone in the palm of your hand as you meditate to best unleash its powers. And that concludes this video of the 7 crystals that I recommend for beginners. Thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video. Feel free to like, comment below. Let me know how you feel, what you're thinking, or if you have any questions. Also, feel free to subscribe and share this content with any family, friends, or loved ones that you would like to walk with you on this spiritual journey. Until next time, Ashe.